what happens is you go to church and you have a lesson at church. And we are now being asked more than ever to then bring that message to our homes, from church to home, and gather around our cute little families and have home gospel conversations. Now, when you have the home gospel conversation kit that this video is a part of, you can have 1, 2, or 3 home gospel conversations depending on how you use the kit. So it gives you the tools that you need to go to church, listen, learn from the lessons, and then bring those lessons home. More than ever, we're being asked to have a home-based faith that is church-supported rather than a church-based faith that is home-supported. Now, there's 3 parts to your home gospel conversation kit. The first part is this cute little video. That's me on the video. That's part number 1. Part number 2 is the home-based conversation kit study guide. Now, what this does is this walks you step by step through everything that I'm going to share with you on the video so that you have it. And the third thing that you have as part of your home gospel conversation kit is your lifelong seminary teacher. That's me. Because you're a part of the lifelong seminary class, you can ask questions, you can message me and ask me things, you can share successes, you can even share frustrations and get input from me and from other members of the class. It's just like being in a seminary class.